Hello, everybody. My name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP, and I'm here today with my good friend, Michael Dohr from MSCRM Add-ons. Michael, introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your company.
Sure thing. Hello, everyone. Hey, Rick. Good to see you, and thanks for having me. So, my name is Michael Dohr. I'm with MSCRMaddons.com and have been for more than 14 years, so quite a long time. I come from a technical background initially, started as a developer, but over the time, my role changed quite a bit. So right now, I'm responsible for global sales, business development, a little bit of strategy, the partner channel, and I'm also managing the North American practice with our office in Atlanta, Georgia. So I would say a lot of things and a little bit of everything. What do I do like most about my daily tasks? It's certainly talking to customers and partners about their pain points, their use cases and requirements, and of course, trying to figure out how we can help them and maybe find solutions or an add-on that will not just help them, but others that face the same problem.
I'm going to call you guys pioneers in the space because you were there right from the beginning almost. Like what year did you guys start building add-ons, and how many add-ons do you have now?
So we started, I think it's true to be a pioneer. We started in 2005, had 4 add-ons available with the release of CRM 1.2. So that's quite a while ago. And interestingly, 2 of those add-ons made it all the way up until now. That's kind of fascinating. So the problem is still there. Right now, we do have 7 solutions available for Dynamics 365 and also Power Apps.
Great. So tell us a little bit about the solutions. What kind of products do you guys build?
So basically, we are always, most solutions have a focus on productivity and usability. So what we have and try to do is really come up with solutions that will help users to simplify their daily tasks or daily lives by reducing the number of clicks they need to do to complete certain tasks. To name a few of them, we've got the Smart Bar that will help them with simplified navigation in Dynamics 365. We do have activity tools that helps you to easily work with activities inside Dynamics. But it's not just those UI elements. We also have, for example, the attachment extractor, a quite popular solution, and that allows you to really reduce your storage costs by keeping your consumption under control. Another popular one, the most popular one we have on App Stores actually is our telephone integration. It's a CTI that allows to connect phone systems to Dynamics 365, enabling things like caller recognition and screen pops for incoming calls, click to dial for outbound calls. And then, most important, and I think certainly the one we are best known for, our flagship, if you will, is Documents Core Pack. It's a document solution for Dynamics 365 that allows customers to not just generate good-looking documents, but also process them in an easy way. And where possible, maybe even fully automate their document processes via Power Automate or Flow. So it's a lot of different solutions, really, targeting different needs. So that's kind of what we have.
And it's interesting because I speak at a lot of conferences, and I've probably sent hundreds of customers to you for that, your documents package. And, you know, I remember being on an MVP panel and someone asked about documents, and there was a big, long explanation from 3 or 4 different MVPs, how you can do this within Dynamics. And when they came across to me, I said, well, MSCRM Add-ons has a product that does that. And I think it's, how much is it? $79 or something at the time. I said, you know, it may be a different price now, but back then I thought, wow, that was a lot easier solution than what these 3 other people just explained to me. So I think you guys are doing a great service in the marketplace.
Well,
I wanted to talk to you today about the community, DCI, Dynamics Community, and Dynamics 365 UG, which you and I have been involved with for a number of years, and we've probably actually met the first time there. So tell us a little bit about, you know, what the community has meant to you and your business. And also let's talk about, we've got the upcoming summit, which is our big global conference, which is going to be virtual this year. What are you guys going to be showing at the conference?
Sure thing. Yeah, I think you're right. I think we met at one of those conferences, and the community, the UG Summit and our Community Summit really means a lot to us. As you know, it became the #1 event around Dynamics 365 over the course of the last couple of years. What I really enjoy most about it, or what I do like most about it, that you're not just talking to partners, which is valuable, and not just to Microsoft, also valuable, but you get to talk to end users or customers directly. And this talking to customers face to face and actually see what kind of problems they are facing in their daily lives is super valuable to us. I would say in the end, most of the ideas or new features we bring into our product originate from those talks to end users, and not just new features. It could also, I think at least I can think of 2 add-ons we developed that directly originate from those kind of communication with the end users. So as you can well tell, very valuable to us. It's just to hear their pain points and see how they're using their applications, and then for us trying to react and think about ways to help them or create an add-on to help them out.
And so, I always think about, when we're out showing these products, we're kind of showing them in a sterile environment. This is how, they work out of the box. You can customize them, but as people start to use them and add data to them and add users to them and try to add business processes that actually work, this is what I love about the community. We can get in front of those people and they'll tell us the real productivity issues they have. And I'm sure that, as you said, this is great for your company.
Exactly. I agree 100%. So yeah, this is actually seeing how the applications are used by the end users is really where they run into the issues, and then you need to react and provide a solution for that.
So we've got the Global Summit coming up, which is our big conference, and unfortunately this year we're not going to meet as a group. We're going to be online and virtual, and your organization is one of the sponsors. So tell us why you sponsor the event, and tell us what you're going to be showing.
Yeah, I mean, as stated before, it's really the #1 event, or it became the #1 event, and it's super valuable to us, and we are happy to sponsor. We're actually sponsoring not just the North American one, we did the European one, and we were aiming for the Australian one as well, just because the benefit is so huge for us. On this one, we will showcase some new features around our Documents core pack. So we will talk about document generation and automation using Dynamics 365 in combination with Power Automate. And the focus will be on our new Power Platform connector that basically brings all our document capabilities to Flow and to Canvas apps. Easy to use, and with more than 20 actions available, it allows not just to generate good-looking documents, but also do things like send off emails, send for e-signing, save to SharePoint, or just calling your local or network printer from a Flow can be quite powerful. And so this is what we're going to show.
And I think this Power Apps market is going to be huge for you, because Microsoft just announced there's 500,000 companies now using Power Apps.
Oh, wow. Yeah, exactly. I mean, this is really what we are doing right now, right? Trying to get away from the sole focus of Dynamics 365 to also get all those Power Apps customers to know our solutions, or to provide solutions that can help them be more efficient in their daily lives.
So Michael, I think your organization is, as I said before, the right place at the right time. Thanks for joining me today, Michael. And we'll be talking to you in the future to find out what's new at MS-CRM add-ons. And hopefully, we'll be meeting next year at Summit live.
I certainly hope so too. Again, thanks for having me. And everybody have a great rest of the day.
Thank you.